Cheapest foldable alert. This phone aims to break all records. Budget-friendly foldable phones are finally here. Blackview is set to dethrone the Nubia Flip, the current champion at $499, with their upcoming Hero 10 priced at a steal of $425. Unfolding to reveal a tall 6.9-inch AMOLED display, the Hero 10 offers a standard 60Hz refresh rate. While details are scarce on the secondary screen, rumors suggest that it might be similar to the compact 1.15-inch display found on the Huawei Pocket 2. Surprisingly lightweight at 198 grams and slim at 8.8mm thick when unfolded, the Hero 10 proves foldables don't have to be bulky. Camera-wise, the Hero 10 boasts a 108MP main sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide lens on the back, with a 32MP selfie camera. Processing power comes from a mid-range MediaTek Helio G99 chip backed by a generous 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. However, the phone runs on the slightly outdated Android 13. Blackview has been tight-lipped about the battery capacity, but more details are expected next month when the Hero 10 officially launches.